Life moves fast, and before you know it, you're in your 30s, juggling responsibilities, dreams, and challenges. But here's the thing. If you're over 30 and haven't saved any money, it's not too late to take control of your financial future. In this video, we'll explore actionable strategies to build wealth, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. 1. Understand your financial situation. The first step to saving money is to face your financial reality head-on. Ask yourself, how much money comes in every month, and where does it go? Many people avoid this step because it feels overwhelming, but awareness is power. Create a simple budget to track your income and expenses. It doesn't have to be complicated. For example, apps like Mint or Wineabbey can make this process easy and even fun. Next, identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's those daily coffee runs or unused subscriptions. Imagine saving $5 a day on coffee. That's $150 a month. Small adjustments can lead to significant savings over time. And remember, this is about creating room in your budget for savings, not depriving yourself. Finally, set a clear financial goal. Do you want to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or start investing? Defining your goal gives your savings plan purpose. Think of it as planting seeds today for the financial freedom you'll enjoy tomorrow. 2. Prioritize saving with a strategy. Saving money when you're starting late can feel daunting, but a strategic approach makes it achievable. One of the most effective methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. If 20% feels too high, start with what you can and increase it gradually. Automate your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your paycheck goes directly into a savings account before you even see it. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures you're prioritizing your future self. Emergency funds are a non-negotiable priority. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. For instance, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, your emergency fund goal should be between $6,000 and $12,000. This safety net protects you from unexpected expenses and prevents you from falling deeper into debt. And don't forget, as your income grows, increase your savings rate. Whether it's a raise, a bonus, or a side hustle, channel a portion of that extra money into your savings. This habit ensures your financial growth keeps pace with your career. 3. Address and eliminate debt. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, keeping you from moving forward financially. The first step to tackling debt is understanding it. Make a list of all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. This clarity helps you create a debt repayment plan. 2 popular strategies are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. With the snowball method, you focus on paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins. The avalanche method targets high-interest debts first, saving you more money in the long run. Choose the approach that motivates you to stick with it. Consolidating debt can also simplify payments and reduce interest rates. For example, if you have multiple credit card balances, consider a low-interest personal loan or a balance transfer card. Just be sure to address the root cause of the debt to avoid repeating the cycle. As you pay off debt, celebrate your progress. Reward yourself for milestones, like paying off a credit card or reducing your overall debt by 10%. These celebrations keep you motivated and remind you why financial freedom is worth the effort. At this point, you might be thinking about how to maximize your financial growth. That's where smart investments come into play. Check out our video titled 8 Must-Have Investments Before You Turn 50, How to Get Rich, for a deep dive into building wealth through smart financial decisions. The link is in the description below. If you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable financial tips. Let us know in the comments. What's the first step you're taking to save money this year? Your journey could inspire others. 4. Start building wealth today. Now that you've addressed debt and begun saving, it's time to grow your money. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. For example, saving $200 a month starting at 35 can grow to over $200,000 by retirement, assuming a 7% annual return. Consider investing in index funds, ETFs, or even real estate if it aligns with your goals. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Side hustles are another great way to increase your income. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or driving for a rideshare service, extra income can accelerate your savings and investments. Lastly, educate yourself continuously. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts about personal finance. Knowledge is your most powerful tool for building wealth. Remember, every small step you take today contributes to a stronger financial future. 5. Build financial discipline through habits. Financial success often comes down to the habits you form. Start with small, consistent changes that build discipline over time. For example, commit to saving a specific percentage of every paycheck, even if it's just 5%. Over time, this habit becomes second nature. Create a system of accountability to keep yourself on track. This could be sharing your goals with a trusted friend or using an app that sends reminders and tracks your progress. Regularly reviewing your financial situation helps you stay motivated and adjust your plan as needed. Impulse spending can be a significant roadblock. To combat this, adopt a 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. Often, the urge to spend will fade, allowing you to save that money instead. Another powerful habit is practicing gratitude. By focusing on what you have instead of what you lack, you reduce the temptation to overspend on unnecessary items. This mindset shift is not just good for your wallet, but also for your overall well-being. 6. Maximize your earning potential. Increasing your income can significantly accelerate your financial goals. Start by evaluating your current job or career path. Are there opportunities for advancement or skill development? Consider taking courses or earning certifications that make you more valuable in your field. Networking is another critical component. Building strong professional relationships can open doors to better-paying opportunities. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to ask for mentorship or advice. If your current job has limited growth potential, explore side hustles or freelance opportunities. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy make it easier than ever to monetize your skills or hobbies. Negotiating your salary is another effective way to increase earnings. Research the market value for your role and confidently present your case during performance reviews. Even a small raise can make a significant difference over time. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of passive income. Investments, rental properties, or even creating digital products can generate income without requiring constant effort. The key is to start small and scale up as you gain experience. 7. Protect your financial future. Building wealth is only half the battle. Protecting it is just as important. Start by ensuring you have adequate insurance coverage. Health, auto, home, and life insurance protect you from unexpected events that could drain your savings. Estate planning is another critical step. Create a will, assign beneficiaries, and consider setting up a trust if your assets are substantial. These measures ensure your hard-earned money goes where you want it to in the future. Monitor your credit regularly to safeguard against identity theft. Services like Credit Karma or Experian make it easy to track your credit score and detect unusual activity. Good credit also opens doors to better loan rates and financial opportunities. Build a network of trusted professionals, including a financial advisor, accountant, and lawyer. Their expertise can help you navigate complex decisions and protect your assets. Finally, keep an emergency fund accessible but separate from your main savings. This fund acts as your financial shield against life's unexpected challenges, ensuring your long-term goals stay on track. You now have the roadmap to take control of your finances, even if you're starting with nothing at 30 or beyond. Imagine looking back 5 years from now and seeing the progress you've made. Debt paid off, savings built, and investments growing. The transformation starts today. And the next step? Learning how to invest wisely to build long-term wealth. Don't miss our next video, 8 must-have investments. Before you turn 50, how to get rich. It's packed with insights that will take your financial journey to the next level. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor for guidance tailored to your individual situation.